This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking both displays are physically connected and set to their native resolutions, because matching pixels prevent stretching. Once done, pick a single image wide enough for both screens. For example, two 1920 x 1080 monitors need a 3840 x 1080 image, and ensure its aspect ratio matches your layout. Make sure you set the correct primary monitor and orientation in display settings. This determines how the OS treats the combined desktop. Now you're ready to prepare the image file itself. Next, open an image editor and create a canvas matching the combined resolution, because pixel-perfect placement prevents seams. Place your artwork or photo so important elements sit inside each monitor's safe area. Keep faces and text away from the split. Export as a high-quality PNG or JPEG and avoid aggressive compression which causes banding across monitors. Save the final file to a permanent folder. Make sure you remember the path, since the OS needs direct access to use it as a continuous desktop background. Finally, open your operating system's background settings and select the saved image. If the OS offers a span or tile across monitors option, choose it. Otherwise, assign the same image to both monitors and set position to fill so it visually connects. If alignment is wrong, verify monitor order and ensure scaling is 100%. Fractional scaling breaks pixel mapping. If issues persist, restart the Window Manager, Explorer, or Graphics Compositor, and update or roll back the display driver as a key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.